dreams begin. The chess adventure will begin. Come with Timmy, say hooray. Let's have fun and learn to play. On the board where dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin.
Hello, kids! Did you miss me? Because I missed you so much! Today is a very special day in the Chess Kingdom. It's Queen's Day. Come on, friends. Let's go meet the queens. I'm sure they have some royal secrets to share. Look, there they are. Hello, children. It's so nice to see you again. Today is our special day in the Chess Kingdom. Come with us. We have so much to show you. Let's start with me, the White Queen. Do you know why? Because in chess, white always goes first. That means I always get the first move. Do you know why I'm called the strongest piece in chess? Because I can go anywhere I want. I can go diagonally. I can move forward or backward. I can move left, and I can move right. And as far as I like. 1 square, 2 squares, even all the way. I can go this way and that way. I'm the queen. I go where I please. But remember, little ones, there's one thing I cannot do. I can't jump over other pieces, but if someone is standing in my way, I can capture them. Watch closely. I'll show you how. Let's invite some little black pawns to help me. It's much easier to show you. Now, watch closely, my little friends. I will show you how I capture in chess. See, I go right up to the piece in my way. And bump! I capture it! Watch one more time, my little friends. Like this. Nice and easy. Now you know how the queen captures in chess. That's everything about me, my dear friends. Now it's time for the Black Queen. Let's invite her to join us and tell us all about herself. Come on over, Black Queen. Hello, kids. Now it's my turn to tell you all about me. I'm very much like the White Queen. I move just like her. I can go anywhere I want. I can move up, down, sideways, or diagonally. And I can go as far as I want. Watch me. Like this. Look! See? I can go in any direction, just like the White Queen. I'm very powerful. Now let me show you how I capture other pieces. Actually, I do it just like the White Queen. Let's invite a few white pawns to help us. They'll make it easier to show you how I do it. Watch carefully. If a piece is standing in my way and it belongs to the other team, I can move to that square and capture it. See? Like that. Like that. That's how I do it. Just like the White Queen. We are the most powerful pieces on the chessboard, but only if we work with our team. And that's everything about me, friends. You've all done such a great job today, learning about the White Queen and the Black Queen. So now, we have a surprise for you. We invite you on a super exciting adventure, a space chess adventure. Come with us. It's going to be fun.
On our board so bright and clear, we gather here with joy and cheer. pawns blow trumpets loud and sweet. A happy day is ours to meet. Kings and queens and rooks so bold, stories of chess are bright and told. Come along and learn to play in our fun chess land today.